Hey, Kim from Beachside with a few tips to help you when you're running hills. It doesn't matter if you're running hills for training, going up and down, up and down, up and down, or if you're just doing a fun run or doing a training run and you just come up to a hill. Either way, the principles are exactly the same. So, working from the top down. When you're running up a hill, basically you want to keep your head up, looking forwards. Don't hunch your shoulders over, okay? But we do want to slightly lean forward from the hips. So your body has a slight lean forwards and you can push up the hill this way rather than trying to pull up the hill with your legs. It makes it much harder. Keep your hips just behind your upper body. So your hips back here, and shorten your steps up. So instead of taking big long steps and your foot landing out here, try to get your foot land right underneath you and push back from there. When your foot does land, try to make it land on the forefoot. So instead of hitting the ground with your heel, we're landing here under our forefoot instead. And then we can take smaller steps and push up here. With your arms, keep them moving forwards and backwards like this, not across your body like that. That's going to waste energy pulling you left and right. You want your arms going forwards and backwards, and swing them a little bit harder. So as you swing that arm back, it drives your leg up and it makes it easier to get up that hill. So that's running uphill, okay? Head up, leaning forward slightly, small fast steps using your arms. Running downhill is similar, but there's one opposite thing. So we're still slightly leaning forwards down the hill. That way the hill is going to carry us down. One big thing a lot of people do, and it's a little bit scary sometimes letting yourself run fast down the hill. So people lean back and they use these big quad muscles and they hit the brakes every time their foot hits the ground. That sends a lot of impact through your knees, ankles, hips, up your lower back, everything. And you're also using all that energy to slow you down. What you want to do instead is lean forwards and just let that leg fall in front of you. When it lands, let it flick straight up behind you, nice and high. Bring the knee up so you're taking really big steps and letting that hill just carry you down. That way you don't need any energy at all. You actually get to pick up your pace and go even faster, and it's easier. All right, they're my tips for running hills. Next time, you can kill it just like these guys. There they go.